This 2020 Lexus LX is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Lexus is powered by four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, premium unleaded V8 7L 346 engine, and has 811 miles. Elevate your drive with a sleek 2020 Lexus LX. Luxury, performance, and value await. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.